You've probably already heard of the A Call to Arms update in CS2 that dropped on the 7th of February, but you might not know why the skin prices have risen so fast, and I think that I have a fairly good explanation for this. So please listen and I will tell you this. So if you don't know, this new update has brought in a few things. Arms Race has returned with 2 new maps, Shoots and Baggage, as you can see in the video. Then you have custom sticker placement, so you can place it anywhere on the skin. With that you can place 5 stickers on one skin right now. Then of course we have the kilowatt case, the new case with the new kufri knife, I think it's called, and the new Zeus skin. Let me take a look. Yeah, the kukri knife with just the basic finishes. The Zeus skin is right here, and next to that just the small little details. Now if you've taken a look at your inventory, you might have seen a price trend like this. It went from, for example, around $26 to almost $32, 31, 32, and right now it's at 29. Now how can this increase so fast with just this seemingly small update? Basically I took a look at the trending paid on price empire, and you will see that almost all skins, at least all the play skins, went up significantly. The play skins really went up a lot. So if I take a look at the highest liquid skins, almost all of these changes are around like 10% for the popular skins. Of course, for like this skin, not popular, it's gonna be 3%. And how can this happen? Well, if we take a look at the CS2 player count, we will see that there is not like a significant increase. It went from around 900 to 300. Down to 500, down to 500, 1 million to 500, maybe a little bit of an increase, but we're still in a negative month of minus 6%. It's not this enormously large increase, and I might have an explanation for this. Let's go back to the A Call to Arms race. And then you can see that it dropped on 7th February. Alright, so what has happened? On 7th of February, they've released an update. This update brought, of course, a lot of YouTubers to make videos. A lot of people are joining the game. They're gonna be playing the game. And they're gonna be reminded that CS2 still exists. There is updates coming. So therefore more people are gonna play, and it's just gonna be in their head. And then 3 days after the update launched, it is Chinese New Year. Wait, let me just show you. Chinese New Year 2024. This happened on the Saturday of Saturday, February 10th. So what does this mean? Well, basically you have all these Chinese kids and even Chinese like normal people. What they will do is they will celebrate. Like when it's New Year in your country, then you're gonna celebrate. You're gonna pull out fireworks. You're gonna spend more money, for example, on beer, on gambling, anything. And therefore these Chinese kids will receive like money from their parents to spend on stuff they like, and probably they will spend it on buff 163 and buy skins. And the people with money, with an income, they will probably spend a little bit more money on opening cases, for example, or buying skins, because yeah, it's New Year, they want to spend some money. And this, I think this is very smart of Valve, because the player count, for example, was like this. Then the update came, it went a little bit up. And then of course it's steady, so it's going slowly a bit down. And then Chinese New Year, so all these Chinese people, they remembered, oh yeah, CS2. And then they're gonna spend all the money and the skins are gonna go up. And the argument for my conclusion is that if we take a look at the Steam market, we can see that, okay, this one has increased from 26 to 30, let's say like that. And that's an increase of 15%. If we then take a look at right here, okay, what is this? The last month, we can see it went to around 34, 31. So 31 to 34. It's a smaller increase than buff 163. And what this will mean to me is that there are more people on buff 163 buying skins than on Steam. So what I think has happened is, oh yeah, you can see the volume right here. So on February 7th, the volume has gotten a little bit higher and lower, but the prices has still increased, although the volume has been lower. And basically that's because of the buff 163. Because of the Chinese New Year, people are happy, they're gonna buy more skins. And one thing to mention is, how long is Chinese New Year? It says 15 days. So probably, I believe that for the first 7 days, people are free from work and it's like a holiday. So the first 7 days, people are gonna be spending a lot of times playing CSGO, probably. Like I think this is going to happen, I don't know, I don't live in China, but this is what I read. And I think the rest of the days, yeah, people are gonna not play that much because they don't have free from work. Alright, so what can we expect? Let's say that this is 10. that's 10 February. I believe that this is 12, so we have around 5 days left. Probably the price is gonna go a little bit like this. And then after those 5 days, and then after that, I think the prices are gonna go down a little bit like this. But I still think that they are gonna be, if I trace this like this, I think that they're gonna be higher than this part right here. And why is that? Well, because CS2 has brought in an update, and I think in the short term, the skins prices are gonna be a little bit higher. Of course, I don't know, they can also go up, or they could, like after this time, and then I could dive back to the normal. But I think personally that they are gonna go back to something that's a little bit higher than this price. So a little bit higher. I hope you can understand what I mean. Although of course, really I don't know, so we'll just have to wait out. But in my case, I'm just gonna wait a few days before I'm gonna be buying skins. Because of the 7-day trade hold, I don't want to lose a lot of money by getting risky. Just play it safe, play for the long term, and that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching, please like, subscribe.